Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the parts of flower. Usually flowers are different colors, size and shape, everything. But all the flowers have the same parts. So it is basically the reproductive part of the plants. So now we are going to elaborate the parts of flower. Parts of flowers. What is meant by flower? The flower is the reproductive unit in angiosperm. It is concerned with sexual reproduction of the plant. This is the entire structure of flower. Pistil. Pistil is the innermost part of the flower. This is the female part of the flower. It consists stigma, style, ovary. See the structure of stigma, structure of style. This is the ovary and ovule. Next, third innermost part is stamen, which is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of anther and filament. And the colored part of the flower is petal, which attract the pollinators. And the outermost layer is sepal. These all the parts are attached on the receptacle. We are going to learn about the each and every part in detail. Peduncle is nothing but the stalk of the flower, and the receptacle, as I said, the flower stalk and other parts are attached on the receptacle. Sepals, it is otherwise known as calyx. It encloses and protects the flower before it blooms. Petals, it is also known as corolla. It's usually colorful and scented. It attracts pollinators. The sepals and petals are non-essential part of the flower. Stamen. Stamen is the male reproductive structure. The stamen consists of filament, anther and pollen. See, this is the structure of filament and this is anther. The thin stalk supports the anther and knob-like structure produces the pollen and the pollen contains the microscopic cells that become sperm cells. Pistil. Pistil is the female reproductive structure. It contains stigma, style, ovary and ovule. Stigma is the sticky tip which traps the pollen, and style, slender tube, transport pollen from stigma to ovary. And ovary contain the ovule which develops into fruit. Ovule contain the egg cell which develops into a seed when it fertilized. In what is perfect and imperfect flowers? Perfect flower has pistil and stamen, which are the essential part of the flower. Imperfect flower means which have only one sex. That means what is meant by male and female? The male part is the stamen and the female part is the pistil, which contain the stigma, style and ovary. I hope everyone understood the different parts of the flower. Thank you.